does look like before. The rust. Sprayed some of that rust killer up in there. So got that. And then my new piece, I put well-through primer on it, so I'm waiting for that to dry. It's passenger side upper door jamb. A little before action. This is my new piece with the well-through primer on the back. I'll weld this in and see how this goes. Alright, got that thing welded in. I mean, is it perfect? No, it's the top of a door jamb. But all this will have glass over it to smooth out the overhead welding bubbles. But for the top of a door jamb, I'm pleased with that. I think that'll turn out good once it's all glassed in and sanded down. All right, cool.